borax. Borax.
Okay, be careful, walking on Devil's Golf Course is very difficult. A fall could result in painful cuts and even broken bones.
Broken bones.
So what do you think?
I would do both, but as we don't have enough time, I think we should go to the other place, because here it's more bulky and it looks the same everywhere. The other spot where we found borax, it was much more subtle, very tiny things that we can play with, try different composition.
So shall we go?
Let's go. This is so beautiful, but we're running out of time. The sun is going down so fast, and the borax crispy crunchy is waiting for us.
So we don't see the mountains there. We don't see them because it's probably like dust and sand.
But it's going our way.
Yeah.
It's supposed to wind like crazy tonight, and there's a sandstorm over there. So we came here earlier this week. We marked the spot. How long is it? How far?
I don't know, maybe 500, 400 meters? Looks a little bit like fresh snow.
I think it is snow. Maybe we could use the, like, we just have like 2 minutes of sun, so maybe we can use this. Okay. Oui, temps pour toi? Je suis prête. As you can see, it's starting to be so windy. The light is crazy. We just finished shooting with the white kit, Snow White. So we started as a queen of the darkness, and now she is Snow White.
So I don't know, it's kind of spiky. It's hard. So there's something precarious and fragile at the same time about this place that I like. And that was totally different from what we expected. Yes.
Yes, it was windy, but we still have been able to shoot with the Milky Way. And I think I have my best Milky Way shots ever. Got so many stars. And the wind was so strong that the tube was bending and Kim was nearly falling. Good thing that the car is not very far. And I'm cooking pasta tonight! There's that. It's not going well. These are not real pastas. It's made with corn and rice. I'm sad!